Children, now I am going to explain S3. This is part 2, children. In part 1 I have explained S1 and S2. Now I am going to explain S3 block graph. And here now I am going to explain a block graph. So children, it will be related to S1 and S2, children. So now here I have written idli, dokla and samosa. So graph, first what you have to draw is one vertical and one horizontal line, children. Horizontal line will be x-axis and vertical line will be y-axis. So here idli, how many will like idli, children? 8 members will like idli. So children, here we have idli. So how many will like idli? 8 members will like idli. So now what we have to do it is, we have to draw the blocks. How we have to draw it is, a small rectangular shape you can draw it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 blocks. Okay. So you can draw like this. And the next one what we have, dokla. Dokla is 6. So 6 blocks. So children, I am not able to draw the correct shapes, but you have to draw it with the scale, children. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay children. So according to this you have to draw the 6. And coming to samosa, how many are there? 12. So here you have to draw the 12, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So children, till 12 you have to draw the 12 blocks. So children, this is a block graph. You have to draw the blocks, children, according to the number. So here it is 8 and here it is 6 and here it is 12. So children, now all of you open your maths workbooks. Children, open page number 42. Write today's date. S3 block graph. So children, just now I showed you, children, this one. Make a block graph using the information from S1. So idli, how many children in S1? How many are there in idli? 8. Dokla 6, samosa 12. So here idli 8, dokla 6, samosa. How many? 12. So here what we have to do it is, we have to draw the block graph. So children, now I am going to show with the help of scale, children. I have drawn on the board with the free hand. Now I am going to show with the scale. Just what you have to do it is, just make a standing line, 8 standing lines like this. So it will look neat. 2 sides you have to make it, and you just make 2 lines like this. Okay children, and here also you have to draw, children. Here 6, here 12. Okay, you have to do it by your own. Now, which snack is liked the most? Which snack, children, most? Here samosa is 12 we have. So samosa. And here which snack is liked the least? Which snack? Dokla. Which is better? a pictograph or a block graph? Why? You have to do it by your own. This, which you will like? You will like pictograph or a block graph? And coming to fifth one, what will happen if some students do not choose their favorite snack? What will happen? The graph will be changed, right, children? So here you have to write it. So here you have to write the graph will be changed. So children, here also I am going to show how to make it. Just take 6 standing lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 6 only, no? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 extra. So just rub it and just make your workbook cross and make the lines so that it will look neat. Okay. And here you have to make it 12 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up also you can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Finished. And here just you have to join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, you have to draw it like this so that it will look neat. So this will call the block graph. So children, we have completed tally marks, pictograph and block graph. Now we are going to learn S4 line plot. Line plot. A line plot uses X instead of pictures or square blocks of represent connected information. So children, here instead of blocks and squares we are going to draw the x's. So here number of children in a family. So 0 children. This is all our x children. Just now I counted this x. Here we have 9 in 0. So number of children in the family. So this is the children of family children. So 0 children in the family, 9 families will not have children, 0 it is. And 12 families having 1 child, 15 families having 2 child, 11 families having 3 child, 2 families having 4 children, 1 family is having 5 children. So here number of families having 5 children in their family, it is 1, right? Only 1 family is having 5 children. Number of families having no child in their family is 0 children. Here 0 children in 9 families. So 9 families. Number of children in the most families. Number of children in most families. So 15. 15 means 2 children. 2 children having 15 families having 2 children. Right? So, how many children do you have in your family? So, you have to write it here. How many? 2 or 3 in your family. How many are there? You have to write. So, children, with the help of this, I am going to explain S4 in your workbooks. All of you open your S4. Children, all of you open page number 43. Write today's date. S4. Line plot. Use the information in S1 to make a line plot. So children, S1. In the S1 what we have? We have tally marks, right? That is idli, 8 dokla, 6 samosa, 12. Right? So idli, how many are there? 8. So now what we have to do? We have to make x here. How many x? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need of drawing any lines, children. X-axis and y-axis. Directly you can make the x here. And here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here samosa 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now this is the way you have to draw it, a line plot. I hope you understood, children. Now the next one. What does this line plot show? What it is showing? It is showing the favorite snacks of class. Right? So you have to write it. Favorite snack of class. The next one. How is this line plot different from a block graph? So what is the different? In that block graph we used to draw the blocks. Here we are using X. So line plot we used X. In block graph we use block. So used blocks. Now fourth one. Which one did you think is the best? Pictograph, block graph or line plot? Why? You have to do it by your own. What happens when students change their choice of snacks? Line plot will change. Right, children? Line plot will be change. So children, this is information about line plot. So children, this is your part 2. In part 1 I have explained you S1 and S2. In the part 2 I have explained you S3 and S4. So children, I hope you understood S3 and S4. In the next class we are going to continue with the practice questions. Thank you.